How to make a logo with LogoAI. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo using the LogoAI website. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and let's get started. First, open up any internet browser on your device. Then go to logoai.com. You can use their free trials to create your logo and see what works best for you. Just check the description below to try it for free, and if you sign up using the link down there, you'll unlock some amazing discounts on their pricing. Once the website loads, move your cursor over to Let's Make a Logo and click on it. You'll be taken to a new page here. Click on the Start button. Now, go ahead and enter the name of your brand or business in the text box. You can also add a slogan if you want, but that part is optional. Once you've filled in the details, click on Continue. Next, you'll be asked to select your industry type. You can scroll through the list and choose one that fits, or simply tap on Skip if you'd rather move ahead without selecting one. After that, choose the color scheme that you like. Scroll through it and click Next. Choose a font style that you like from the available options. Once you've made your selection, tap on Generate. Now, wait a few seconds while your logo is being created. Once it's ready, you'll see a variety of logo designs right on your screen. You can scroll through the list and pick the one that suits your brand best. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a logo using LogoAI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.